Now see, so if you want to rotate, just press R. Okay, if you need to rotate, just press R. Okay, now we try to make the connection this way. So this is your signal, this is your power, and this one is for the ground. Okay, for the power, as I told you, so we can take and connect with the positive end of the breadboard, and this is for the ground. Okay, and the ground, I will connect the breadboard negative port. Okay, and the ground, I will use a black color, and for the positive, I will use a red color. And now the signal. So the signal pin I need to connect with the pin number 9. Okay, so pin number 9. So this one I will choose the orange color. Okay, now see, so what I need to do now, so I need to give the power, 5-volt power to my groove pi. Sorry, 5-volt power to this servo motor. Now if you will see, I have connected with the 5-volt pin this Arduino device. Okay, because the Arduino, we are getting a power from the Arduino device, 5-volt power. Okay, now if you will see, now I need to write a code. So the code, it will rotate the servo motor, it will rotate the servo motor. Now we also need to make the ground. So the ground, I will take it from here, and I need to connect with the breadboard with the negative port. The ground, take it and connect with the negative and of the breadboard. Okay, now this is the connection, we made it. Okay, all of you have done the same connections? Yes, please. All of you finish the connections?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now click it on the code. So just delete this one, put it in a trash, and we will write our own code. Okay, so here we need two things. Okay, the first thing is we need to create.
Please like and subscribe to HaiderTech.
Now come to the code. So we don't have the code, and we need to write the code. For the code, we need to use a block programming. Okay, so you click on the code, and now we will choose the block programming. First, we need to create a variable. So the variable name is the position. Okay, position, PION, position. So we are going to create one variable, position, because it will change the position. Once it will rotate, servo motor will rotate, it will change the position. So we set the variable position. So we will take position, this is a variable, and after that we need to choose the control, like the loop. So count. So this count, I will explain you in detail, like count up by 1, for because from the position, the variable, we will take the position. If the position, initial position is 0, and it will go up to 179. Okay, so 180. So if you will go and see here, just let me open the paint. So if you see here, so this is 180 degree, so this is 360 degree. If you need to rotate 180 degree, so you need to give, so this is your 180 degree. Okay, so this is your 180 degree, this one. So because you are going to rotate the servo motor 180 degree, so it will start from 0 to 179. So this circle is 360 degree. Okay, the full rotation is 360 degree, but we need to rotate only 180 degree. Is it clear? Because we need to rotate 180 degree. Okay, so if it will start from 0, so the 180 will be counted up till 179. Okay, now we are giving here, it will start from position, start from 0. So here, so you can give, set the position to, just 1 minute, this is the position, and here you can give the position, just one.
Please like and subscribe to HaiderTech.
We have connected with pin number 9. Okay, if you have connected with pin number 9, so we need to give this one, rotate servo pin. So we will choose a pin number 9. So here, choose the pin number 9. Okay, and to position, so to which degree? Because first it will go for position 1, 2, 3, 4, because it is a count, it is a loop. So it will start with the position, because first the position will be 1. It means, so the servo motor will rotate 1 degree, then it will count 2, 3 up till 79. It will go on and on and on. Okay, so because the loop will continue up to the position 179. So we are rotating a servo motor from pin number 9 because it is connected with the pin number 9, and so the loop will move the position, the servo motor, this one, the blade, from position 1 to 179.
Please like and subscribe to HaiderTech.
Okay, then we need to add the control here. So the weight we can add. Okay, the weight we can say the millisecond. So 20 or 30 millisecond wait, because it will not move so fast. So it should move 1 degree slowly. Okay, it will move not fast, just in a slow motion. So 30-second delay. Then again the next position it will take, position 1 degree, it will move after 30-second. Again the next position, second degree, third degree, fourth, and the position will increase step by step. Okay, step by step mean with 30 millisecond delay. Okay, now we need to add one more after 179 position. So we need to also bring back. So now it will move to this point. So this is a count up by 1 and position to 179, and it will wait for 30-second, 30 millisecond. Then we need to add another loop to bring this back. Okay, so here we will add another one, and it is up, and it should be count should be down. Okay, by 1. So the count should be, so it is wait 30-second and the countdown by 1 for. Now again we need to add a position here. Just 1 minute. Here for the position, from we need to add a variable position. Okay, from position to 0 degree. Just 1 minute, drag a little bit. So position from position degree mean from 179 to 0. Okay, and then it should again wait 20 seconds, because 20 millisecond delay you can add. Okay, now we will run the code and you will see how it will simulate. Okay,
Please like and subscribe to HaiderTech.
this is our position. Okay, so position to 0 degree, and now here, now if you will see, now the position is there. Now we have rotate pin number 9, and so it will start 1 from, because first it will go from position 1 to up to 179. Okay, now it is count down. Okay, by count down by 1. Okay, count down by 1, and it should move from 179, count down by 1. Just 1 minute. Okay, this is count up by 1 and count down by 1, and it should move. This is your position from 179. So this is your position, sorry, from 179 to 1. Okay, same way. So 1 minute, from 1. So it will start, just 1 minute. So it will start from 1 to 179 and increment by 1, and it will move from 1 to 179, and again, so once it will complete the rotation, then again it will come to the original position. Okay, so let me delete this one because we already here, this is the position. Okay, so now again, see, now we have a set position by 0, count up by 1 for position from 1 to 179, mean it should go for this 180 degree. Okay, and we are telling to the servo motor from pin number 9, because we have connected with the pin number 9 to position. Okay, because this is a loop, so position degree. Okay, so position 1 2, 3, 4 degree, 7 degree, it will go up to 179 degree. Okay, so the delay for each iteration 30 millisecond delay. Okay, once it will complete the rotation of 179, mean 180 degree rotation, then again it will come to the original position. Okay, now here up, and here we are using a down. Okay, so down for the position from 179 to 1 and degree. Okay, now we will start the simulation, and you will see, now you can see 179 degree, now it is coming back. See here, did you notice?
Please like and subscribe to HaiderTech.
But if you want to see the code, okay, if you want to see the code for this servo motor, so just click it on block plus text option, so the code will automatically generated based on the block design. You can copy paste the code in the real time and execute in the Arduino IDLE. So this is the same code, just you can copy, paste, and run in your Arduino device. So it will work perfectly in your actual Arduino device. Okay, Arduino IDLE, it will work perfectly. All of you done, finished? So this is the C programming code. Okay, position is 0. So we have two variable I and J. So this is our servo motor variable. Okay, and this is the function. So servo motor attached with port number 9, and this is the we can say the PWM frequency of our servo motor. So we need to give this this one. It's already generated here. Okay, so we will discuss inshallah in detail once we will start coding in Python. Okay, for the Arduino device and Raspberry Pi, we will discuss in detail. Just to give you the point here, how you can write a block programming, and this block, how it can generate the code based on the block design. Okay, now this is the function position. Initial position is 0, as I told you for position 1. So this is the variable. The first, it is a loop. So loop will start from 1, because initially it will be 0. It will start from 1, and the position is less than and equal to 179. So it will start the iteration. So the first iteration will be 1 degree, 2nd degree, 3rd degree, 4th degree. So it will move like 1 degree. Okay, like suppose in this way I cannot. So if you will take, so suppose this is the 1st degree, 2nd degree, yeah, 4, 5, 6. So it will move. Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, in code, I don't find anything.
Just block and text. Just select this one, block and text. See here first, this is the block programming. Na? So if you will see here, it will only show the block. So you need to select here block plus text, block plus text. Click here. Okay, if you will click here, you will find this code. Okay, so this code, if you want, if you have the Arduino device, and you can just copy paste this code and execute in Arduino IDLE, it will perfectly work. Okay, just copy paste. Now I'm going to explain you the code, because this is not the right time to explain, but just this is a C programming. You know all these programming. You already finished C++ in your previous semesters. Now here position is 0. You can see. So position, it will iteration. Okay, the iteration start from 1, and it will, so each iteration it will increase by 1. Increment of 1. It will go 1 by 1. Okay, increment of 1. So motor dot position. So first it will go for increment of 1 with degree 1. Then delay is 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, the second iteration will go. Then third iteration, fourth iteration, fifth iteration, up till 179 iteration. Mean it will move up to 180 degree, because it is going to start from position 0. So the second loop, we are using a nested loop inside another loop, because now it has moved to 180 degree, as you have seen. Now we need to bring back this servo motor into the original position. So we need to bring back our servo motor to the original position. Now it is on 179 degree. It has been moved. Okay, it has been moved to the 179 degree. So this 179 we need to bring back the to the actual position. So it will start from 179, and position is greater than equal to 1. So it will go for the iteration. It will go for each iteration. It will go iteration, means -1, 179, and it will go 178. Again it will subtract, because each iteration it will subtract from 179 up to greater than and equal to 1. So it will bring back the if you will see here, it will bring back this blade on the original position. Okay, the second. as I told you, the second iteration, the second loop. So you have a tool loop, as I told you, for loop you are using. So inside the for loop, you have another loop to bring this servo motor blade into the original position. Okay, again, see the simulation. All of you executed the code successfully. You can see. Now you can see it is rotating. See, it is rotating. So if you need a more delay, more wait time, you can add more wait time. Okay, it's up to you how much you are going to rotate. Sometimes, you can use this project for different, sorry, this code for the different project. Like,
Please like and subscribe to HaiderTech.